titi rumor say one bullet wo asemo die minim say watia ene me pese o kire mu ye pa na ye hu no kra wom sebio o ye oba ye nim o boyfriend bia say when the she boyfriend nie na on say obeye celebrity a o nheda ni o personal life biem I say nipa ni di wachi de o ye bia nipa ehwe adan na one bullet hihye ho na ye busa na u deny say only bullet any ho
but then I work straightforward say I didn't na me deny I don't na me only minute and I say menanti mo ya only minute wo
yen kasa kwa wo ye answer na ye be kasa na ya ye nhwemu a me ma ye ne kire say only bullet etwempena but the be busa obi a no only bullet ni ho the same way na e show dey na start here adenti na untumi nka no kre no once and for all em ye hu say netie
me patro me nkotena baby beka asema you know any ho say mini bullet ewo ho mini bullet any ho no and minim denti aya most of the time no baby ameko bia no instead of say bia ye be focusing on me artistry ne ade betimi de Ghana akọ amanane tumpo then we like I get questions like mini bullet ewo ho and I say mini bullet any ho no like me hu ne say any question e professional though you know
ene de nyame yadom a me so nti say me wo prove bi a kire say woni bullet shawa me famra bontino bi ahwe ana
I don't watch person do to sports. So I say bullet one some near Babacana.
Oh, and yes, sir. Say near Nina account. Come on, you do now.
Say, no idea, no me patro. Young the next question because
don't worry. I have
yes, I need focus too much on. You're focusing on near my for Bibian Bremen.
Me want prove it to make us about entie o new song adia ba emergency. Boy munchi mu kakra then na auto enwom title emergency. Oni bosum piyong ene ye enwom no. Boy mun sem kakra ni ntie.
Emergency because I mean obia kan emergency I mean say what I say. So we adia o ye bia your friend say emergency aba. Ubeja dia o ye no wako and o share utie mun sem na me can baby say this year's Valentine me no one idea and so Nancy quarantine me show me I mean I dey very relatable o share say the way quarantine season you betray mu adofu bi akoka baby enti say of friend say and I say like incrofo mu tempted and this animal enti so be from no ka just so here emergent like e dia no here ade bi pa e was say ultimate command na wanya boni because utie emunsem no wechiro ha o say whether way dey enye we should say ansansi ototopa o say whether way dey enye na wamba obama na ye boni ntino I was say so be oye from no catch us as na girl be afro no catch
emergency call
just say I was so jade away now nti emergency just say here emergency
na say abrabonu no no ma be emergency say call no ba pe say o follow up
I was so jade away bia
okay yentie enwom no mu nsem na mebusa wasemi wai yako we say utie ni ya tumi say when the Ibama bullet
sometimes I just wanna give up.
But if you be deny, ya radio juma na check akra.
You my all, wherever you are, this be your song.
Wendy, Obika say nyumwe, what dedicate ya bullet, will you believe it?
Nana me patcho like, and the questions about some any bullet and I like.
And then me say you, and then say you the air course so only bullet in termini if you once and for all. Now no kwebie won't be aye hu because me no ka say me wa evidence in our phone so a me nim say me my fan to Facebook no be
me patcho like actually me interview no me ba ha say ba be promoting me new song mamba say ba be kan about relationship
and anything me born nyom no and I make sure on say enyum de the first say wa ba ha say be interview no kire say question I will pen kwa na be busa.
But I was say a question I didn't punto ebe breme brand na yetimi ede Ghana nyom across the world na nye bibi say questions now be some me who say betimi de Ghana across baby and then I pass out nkwala nkoto amutie and say was say uno manager ye bibi ansana wodru hanu say like what is this interview about and I saw who invite me by herself baby some mini bullet
Wendy the woman say I don't know obe person me yi evidence am watch re wana
Like honestly, interview women say.
No, me busa on say who deny
it. Person me busa manager say or the member her because say or baba your baba hear me counseling and I say your baba investigate about mini bullet.
Or me busa a simple question. Evidence I me wo no. Obe say the 2 abonti no bia hu say asema me kan nye bosiri mu kan na me wo de me gina so a me ka say oni bullet bibi koso muntem.
Oni bibi say na interview ne be de ene me patch up and you see a chaso because me ba ha se me ba be promote me nyom you know na ma shen microphone crime because I'm 2 years in the game and obi anim say when the shame my bre enti microphone person mutie me inspiring story no mutimi de bo omubra ma ba ma releasing nyom kama like I don't know why you keep on asking me the same questions though like I don't know.
Okay, do you want me to bring out the proof that I have?
Me pachonim say na interview ni be de me pacho pa we mesrew and we see chaso.
Should I bring the proof that I have for you? Obia o ha bia pese me obia hu so that you know say enye tro na me.
Me patriote from Mfancheme, but I really can't. I mean to me to interview. So if you keep asking
Wendy,
what be
should I bring the proof that I have?
What be some message yanko next question, but you keep on asking me the same questions. I don't
Wendy,
know. Then I'll pay for it. Then I'll pay for interview.
Should I bring the proof that I have?
Okay, me patriote. I'm very sorry, but mean to me your interview. No, it's here for me pamacho, but this is so unprofessional. No, like this is really unprofessional.
You haven't answered my question.
Artist Bafu Fraud, mumbu ade, and amo yes, but Obia do what dance say what come, me de buama, me say pacho yenko. The next question. Uni bibi yemi enu ye hiya ho. In as much as I want my platform, na media promoting me nyomo. Sounds na me so me bro good content, and that is good music. Inti me pacho pa.
Wendy, me busa wa se me ba wo ye yia no, en na me ntiase no me say. Prove na me wono me nyimra. Na when say me moa. I mean, you haven't answered the question I'm busa no.
No.
You only said
me pacho bebre. It's okay. I think so. I think just say then I have to leave.
Wendy you wait me ba.
No, like it na ha ma umbisa me unprofessional questions say ever be am brand because what do you mean say who approve all the baba chese me ni bullet e wo ho no. Ode bibi sem po me ni bullet e wo ha ade onye bema.
So why are you denying?
I'm not denying, but make us simple. Adam bullet on your bema. And thank you very much for this interview. I think she said if this is the question now would maybe two spot there, then we have to cut it. No. Like any was in the call. I'm really sorry. It's here for Mfancheme. Shay Gangsters, like really sorry. I don't know what he's trying to get from this interview, but I'm sorry, I'm out. So, who the bay will be a nyami Wendy Shay, me pacho. I've suffered enough. Thank you.
No. I want to give you the.
Okay, I think so. I
you
think just say then I have to leave.
Wendy, you wait, me ba.
No, like it means na ha ma umbisa me unprofessional questions. Say ever be am brand because what do you mean say who approve all the baba chese me ni bullet e wo ho no. Ode bibi sempo me ni bullet e wo ha ade onye bema.
So why are you denying?
I'm not denying, but make us simple. Adam bullet on your bema. And thank you very much for this interview. I think she said if this is the question now would maybe two spot there, then we have to cut it. No. Like any was in the call. I'm really sorry. It's here for Mfancheme. Shay Gangsters, like really sorry. I don't know what he's trying to get from this interview, but I'm sorry, I'm out. So, who the bay will be a nyami Wendy Shay, me pacho. I've suffered enough. Thank you.
No. I want to give you the. Titi rumor say only bullet wo. Asem we dey minim say what tia. And then me pese o kire mu ye pa na ye hu no kra wom. Sebio o ye oba ye nim o boyfriend bia say when the Shay boyfriend ni. Na once obey celebrity a o share ni o personal life biem I say nipa ni di wachi de wo ye bia nipa ehwe adan na one bullet hihye ho na ye busa na wo deny say oni bullet eni ho
why then I work straightforward say I didn't na me deny Aden na me woni meneti anase menanti mo ya woni mene wo.
Yen kasa kwa wo. Ye ansa na ye be kasa na ya ye nhwemu. Nhwemu a me ma ye ne kire se oni bullet etwempena. But baby ebebusa obi a no oni bullet ni ho. The same way na e Sean dey na start here ye. Adenti na untumi nka no kure no once and for all. E me ye hu say netie. Me
pacho me nkotina baby be kan asema you know any ho say mini bullet e wo ho. Mini bullet any ho no.